What's that? Oh, you poor bird. Who did this to you?
Give me the bird, Siddhatta. I shot it.
No, I'm not giving it to you. If you had killed it, it would have been yours. Since it is only wounded, and I saved its life, it belongs to me.
I saw the bird first, and I was the one who shot it. Therefore, the bird belongs to me.
Let us go to the court of wise men and ask them who really owns the bird. Sirs, it is true that my cousin Devadatta is responsible for shooting this bird. However, I was responsible for taking out the arrow and nursing it. Therefore, the bird belongs to me.
Young men, we all agree that a life certainly must belong to him who tries to save it. A life cannot belong to one who tries to destroy it.